Hi friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my channel Share Tips. Today I like to recommend a company from pharma space. As all of us knows that nowadays there is a rally seen in pharma and chemical sector. The specialty of the share market is that if one sector is focused, it will be focused for 2 or 3 months. So we have to enter into that sector when it was focused. For example, Transport Corporation of India is one of the best share in India, which is in logistics space. But this is not the time to enter into that share because the sector is not focused. And the last 3 months will be a bad month for this company due to COVID. So after everything is settled, we can concentrate on this company when that particular sector was focused. Before that, coming to my new share, I like to share that the share I recommended first, Frontier Springs, has hit its target price of 298 rupees on Friday, and I hope that everyone is booked profit from it. If anyone don't book profit, you please see the movement on Monday and just take the profit, because the result of the company is going to be published on Friday, so the result may be bad. So if you get any appreciation on Monday, you can quit that shares and book your profit. Because please don't fall in love with any company. We have to make profit in share market, that's all. So let's just come to my recommendation. The name of the company I am going to recommend is from both space, pharma and chemical. So the name of the company is IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. IOL is a leading organic chemical manufacturer and supplier in India to the most of the pharmaceutical companies in India. And they are also exporting to more than 6 countries in the world. The earning per share of the company is 69 rupees and PE ratio is 11 rupees against the industrial PE of 38. In all my videos, I am saying about EPS and PE ratio because it is an inevitable part in order to value a company. So we have to look whether the EPS of the company is high, and at the same time the PE ratio must be low. For example, if we take example textile sector, if one company is 5 PE and all other sectors PE is 10, that means that particular company has a potential to double from this level. At the same time, EPS must be high. If anyone want to know more about EPS and PE ratio, I will explain it in my next video. So in case of this company, the EPS of the company is 69 rupees and most of the other pharma companies EPS is below 40 rupees. The PE ratio is 11 against industry PE of 38 is a very good sign. The book value of the company is 147 rupees. Now another thing we have to notice that the FIO's stake and promoter's stake. The promoter's shareholding in the company is 43.18%. About that, when compared to last quarter, it was increased by 4%. FIO's also increased the stake from 1.4% to 6% in the company. This shows the FIO's interest in the company as well as promoters' confidence in their own company. The main product of the company is metformin hydrochloride, which is used in the manufacture of diabetic medicine. The company declared that they are going to erect a new plant in order to enhance the capacity of the metformin hydrochloride. The company said that the total capacity of the new plant is 7,200 metric ton per year. That means the total capacity will be enhanced to 11,000 metric ton per year. So the profit of the company will be doubled in next year. The book value of the company is 136 rupees. And the reserves and surplus. Let us look reserve and surplus. The reserves of the company is 860 crores. It was increased from 460 crores when compared to the last quarter of the same last year. So let us look the last quarter result. The sales of the company is 460 rupees in June 2020 when compared to March 2020. And when compared to June 2019, it is only 320 crores. At the same time, profit is increased from 90 to 127 crores when compared to the last quarter. And when compared to June 2019, it is only 85 crores. Let us check 3 negative things about this company before investing. First thing is that from 146 level, it came to 860 levels and had a small correction and now trading it at 740. So there is a chance for a correction. Second thing is it is from a mid-cap space. And third thing is it is highly speculative in nature. It may comes down from 720 to 650. Again it will go up to another 100 rupees. So please don't speculate in the shares. Even after buying your shares, if it comes down, please hold it tight. I expect these shares to reach 1200 rupees in 2 to 3 months. But last week we happened to see that it is never going below 720 levels. It had a strong resistance at 720 levels. So I think it will not go below 700 rupees. Anyway, please watch the share carefully, then invest. Before I want to say one more thing. Among the recommended shares, one share, Manappuram Finance, was now down by 10 rupees. It had enough reason for that, but don't worry, it will reach my recommended target. I will tell more about Manappuram Finance in my next video as soon as possible. As usual, I am saying that before investing in the shares, please consult your own advisor, personal advisor, before investing in the shares. And if you like my video, please share it and like it, and please subscribe it. Thank you.